pineapple Karachi Halwa, or you can call pineapple Bombay Halwa. Very easy and simple recipe. I got pineapple, so today we are going to make something sweet and simple. Hey guys, welcome to Madhura's Desire, and today I'm going to show all of you one of my favorite dessert, which is Karachi Halwa. So we are going to use the pineapple flavored Karachi Halwa, which is also known as Bombay Halwa, which is very famous. So let's start making it. So here I have taken 4 cups of sugar, which is 850 gram, 1 3/4 of water, which is almost half of the sugar, which is 400 ml. So let's make a syrup. We'll boil the syrup till all the sugars dissolves. You can see the sugar is dissolved. Now we'll take it out from the heat and keep it aside. Just taking a teaspoon of ghee, adding 50 grams of cashew and almond mix, which is chopped, 20 grams of melon seed. Just give a quick dry roast. Nuts are very much roasted. Just take it out from the heat and keep it aside. So here I have taken 1 cup of cornstarch, which is approximately 130 gram. Freshly squeezed pineapple juice, which is a 500 ml, which is 2 cup. Mix well. It should be lump free. So for the halwa recipe, we are going to take a 150 grams of ghee. So that is the total amount. And now I'm going to add just a 50% of the ghee to it. Now I'm going to add half of the sugar syrup and half we will keep it aside. Mix the sugar syrup and ghee properly. Keep the medium-low temperature, and now slowly we add the cornstarch mix to it. With the whisk, just gently keep whisking. For this halwa, you just always use the thick bottom pan. This process takes a little time. When the cornstarch starts thickening, it will look like a thick mass, transparent mass. So we have to keep stirring to avoid to burn from the bottom. You can see the solid masses are started forming. So this is the indication that cornstarch is getting cooked. You can see here in the whisk. So keep continuously stirring at a medium-low temperature. You can see the cornstarch is getting thickened. At this stage, we will add little more of sugar syrup, which we have kept aside. So here I'm adding a ladle full of sugar syrup and keep whisking. Now again I'm adding little more of sugar syrup. So here I'm adding another ladle of sugar syrup. You can see that halwa is getting more thickened. Now I'm going to add this last ladle of sugar syrup and keep whisking. So we had added all the sugar syrup within a 2 minutes of interval of time. So we made a 4 stage. So you can see here it started getting thick inside. So it is now semi-solid. It's just a liquid consistency, semi-liquid, thickened. So we are making a pineapple. Now I wanted to add a little bit flavor to it. So I'm just adding a few drops of pineapple essence. If you don't like, you can avoid it and just give a mix. You can see here they're getting more thickened. Now at this stage, I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee and just keep mixing to it. So here now I change to the spatula. So now it is better to handle with the spatula. Keep mixing it. Once the ghee is incorporated, add another tablespoon of ghee. Mix well and maintain the medium-low temperature. You can see here it's a very beautifully glossy and transparent mass is forming. Here I'm adding some saffron water. You can add it color if you don't have. So I have soaked the saffron. Mix well and keep cooking. So add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. Keep mixing. It takes a little bit of time, but result comes up very beautiful. Now I'm going to add the remaining ghee. Keep mixing so the ghee will be emulsified with the halwa. So here we are almost cooking half an hour. Keep mixing till they become a solid a soft ball consistency. So it's getting solid. So not yet. When it turns to the ball, that's the moment we know that halwa is almost ready. So here we are cooking almost for half an hour, and let's check one more time, and if it comes a ball form, then that means the halwa is almost there. Let's check it out. I'll just take a little amount of halwa and put it in the water. Yes, you can see here is almost there. It's like a soft ball. At this stage, I'm going to add half of the nuts and just 1 teaspoon of roasted poppy seed. Mix well. You can see it is start leaving from the side. So if you want to have a chewy halwa like you get in a market, so you need to cook another 10 minutes in a low flame. So we will just make it 5 minutes. I don't want too much of chewy. So you can see here halwa is very much rolling into it, and it started leaving from the side, and this indicates that the halwa is ready. And you can see also the ghee is oozing out from the halwa. So now we will just take it out from the heat. So here I have taken a tray and I have spreaded the butter all over and also some parchment paper. Now I'm spreading up a little bit of nuts on the bottom, which I kept it for remaining nuts, some pistachio and some roasted poppy seeds. Now we will transfer the halwa. Spread it with a spatula evenly. Spread it evenly and let it cool down for 6 hours on a room temperature. Do not refrigerate. Now times to unmold the halwa. Such a beautifully halwa is set. Just remove this wax paper. Let's cut into square pieces. Again, cut from this side. So you can see here such a soft and such a lovely halwa is ready. So you can hear it's not so chewy, it's not so gooey, it's very soft halwa. So now I'm going to show how to wrap this. So take a small plastic wrapper, fold it, nicely. You can wrap it like this. So this is how I'm presenting pineapple Karachi Halwa, or you can call pineapple Bombay Halwa. You can also do the gift wrap if you wanted to give it to on the festive season. You can get this boxes, is very much available, and you can arrange in this and just give a nice cover to it like this. You can give to anybody as a gift. I hope you must have enjoyed making this lovely pineapple Karachi Halwa, also known as Bombay Halwa. I have showed the packing way also, so you can gift your family and friends in any occasion. And please do try this recipe. It is very simple and easy, but yes, it takes a time. We have taken almost 45 minutes to prepare this, but if you follow proper ingredients, measurement and the step-by-step procedure, it will turn out definitely very good for all of you. And I love making this halwa. Please do try and let us know how it turned out for you, and we will be back soon with some different fruit flavor. So keep tuned to Madhura's Desire and let's try the halwa. It's so soft and really it's melting in the mouth. Thank you for watching.